SCITI Labs is pioneering a new approach to the federal R&D enterprise called Commercial First Innovation. Our research enterprise has been virtually unchanged since World War II, with close collaboration between government, universities, and industry to meet the needs of government users. National Science Foundation data show how the funding flows. Government spends 50% of all R&D dollars at universities, while industry adds another 17% for their own research and development. But when it comes to product development, industry dominates, spending 80% of all dollars on their own product development activities. This disconnect between government spending and product development activities results in the well-known Valley of Death, where few innovations make it from the laboratory to the intended end users. SCITI Labs does it differently, by starting with innovators already serving commercial markets, and then providing limited funding to adapt those products to government needs. We increase the revenue potential of the commercial companies while providing dual-use technologies to federal government users. The results to the government are innovations that are faster to market, cheaper to develop with lower life cycle costs and more features, and are supported by the commercial innovators through ongoing innovation cycles. The results have proven that commercial-first innovation leads to much higher transition rates from laboratory to government end users. The current SCITI Labs program started with 3 government use cases: smart building sensors, indoor UAVs, and a wearable smart hub technology to connect first responders during an incident. Within 60 days of being given these use cases, the SCITI Labs team was able to touch 1,500 innovation entities, resulting in 140 applications to participate on the program and a final selection of 12 performers for initial funding. 6 months later, we took the initial prototypes to a responder test facility in Texas to see how they would work in operational settings. The results were impressive. The additional information provided by these prototypes during the 3-minute ride from the firehouse to the fire scene allowed responders to change their behavior, put on their emergency gear sooner, reach victims more quickly, and operate more safely. Now these same prototypes are being taken to the Eagle Bank Arena at George Mason University to prove in the real world how the effectiveness and safety can be improved for both responders and participants. And more innovations are on the way.
Woo! All right.